1 minute beta. Yes, welcome to New Era Academy. So today we will start mathematics, similar triangles, important points. So in important points, first of all, we will discuss what is similar figures. So any two figures which have same shape but not in same size are called similar figures. And the symbol for similarity, this is the symbol for similarity, is similar to. Okay, and for example, the similar figures examples: all equilateral triangles, all squares, and all circles are similar. Okay beta, up to here all of you clear beta?
Yes.
And
Yes.
can you tell me
Hmm.
any similar figure? Two line segments are similar, two regular polygons having equal number of sides are similar. Then the second one about congruent figures. Any two figures which have same shape and same size are called congruent figures. And the symbol for the congruency is, this is the symbol of the congruency symbol. Okay. And the examples are circles with the same radii are congruent. Suppose one circle I am drawing here. Suppose the circle is there. The radius is 2 centimeter. Again one circle is there. Suppose that the here the radius also the same, that is 2 centimeter. So this is a, so here this is a, two radius are same. Then the two circles are same, same in size and same in shape. So this is known as congruent figures. Good, it is clear. So the note, one important note here, okay, the congruent figures are similar. Congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be a congruent. Or we can say that the congruent figures are similar, but the converse is not true. What is the meaning of converse? The converse is that here we understood, just concentrate, here we understood the similar figure. In the similar figures we have only same shape but not in same size. Okay, only the shape is same here. In similar figures only what is only shape, shape is, but not in size, but not in size. Okay, now that is clear. And here and here, here in shape, and also in size. Okay beta, so up to here we have done, we have completed. Now after that, in these two figures, suppose the here, suppose in this here, in this two circles, the radius will be same. Suppose that the radius is, here the radius will be 2 centimeters, suppose that, and here also the radius will be the 2 centimeters. Okay, if the radius here and here the 2 centimeters, and now just suppose that here the radius will be the different. Okay, here different, here to here different, and here to here this different. Okay beta, so now the first figure, it means this figure, it is congruent. How it is congruent? Here we are having the same radius
Name
and it is
and
similar,
size.
and it is also a similar, but here the radius are different. The each radius will be the different here. Okay now, so if each radius is different here, then it is not congruent. So we can say that here circles with the same radius are congruent, and those with the different radii are not congruent, but as all circles have same shape, they all are similar. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now give any two examples for similar figure. This is for one mark question. Okay, this is for the one mark question. Do you know the answer?
Triangles, two triangles.
Two triangles, good. And
Uh,
so
squares.
all squares are similar, all circles are similar, all equilateral triangles are similar. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. So this is for the one mark question. Okay. So the next concept, the next question to you, give two different examples for similar figures and non-similar figures. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Now give me the two examples of similar figures and two examples of non-similar figures. Can you try? Okay. And anyone? Okay, just concentrate here. Okay. So here the question is give two different examples for similar figures and non-similar figures. Okay, so the first example is for the similar figures. Two squares are similar. This is a square, small square, suppose that, and suppose this is a big square, right? Sorry, it is like that. 1 minute. So this is one square, suppose this is a another square. So here in a square all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degree. The first point is clear to all of you. The second, two circles, okay, now two circles are similar. So this is small, this is one circle, suppose that this is another circle. These two circles are also similar. They are different radius, with the different radius. Okay, non-similar figures, one square and one triangle. Okay, so here one square and one triangle, one square and one triangle. Okay, and the second example, one rectangle and one circle. They are also different. Clear?
Non. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So the next question. This question is your homework. Can you say that a square and a rhombus are similar? If they are similar, why they are similar? Okay, this is the homework question. Done?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now